What's going on, everybody? So I've been watching a few videos trying to figure out how to program a new, well, not new, it's 2006 Audi A4 garage door opener in the car to work with my garage door opener. I saw some videos. They show you how to do the car side, but what they don't show you is how to do the garage door opener side. So it all has to be included in one video, or else you're never going to get it to work. So let me show you what I got to do here in order to get my Audi A6 to connect to my garage door opener. Alright, so I got this LiftMaster brand of garage door opener. It's got a button on the back here. Some of them are red, like this one. Some of them have a blue button right there. I apologize, I'm doing this at night, so it's dark, but you gotta turn the car on. And then this car has on the visor 3 buttons right here. So just push a button that you want to program until it starts just flashing. Takes about 30 seconds or so for this to get ready. Like that right there. Now I'm going to take my garage door opener to the front of the car, because this car has a learn feature in the front of the car. You gotta hit the button for the garage door opener until your hazard lights flash. Like that. And then that's supposed to be how you program this car. So now, get inside the car and try it out. So this cat wants to be in the video, so you probably hear her meowing in several of my videos. Alright, I'm gonna do what this says right here. It says press and hold the receiver or transmitter push button, then press the receiver button, and then when the opener light flashes, release both buttons. So let me try that. It looks like this is a 2-person job. I might have to go get a helper. Just turn the key 2 on. Don't actually start the car. So I had to get somebody in the car to push and hold the button so I can do this side here. Alright, release it.
Push it.
Okay, push it. Alright, release it. Now try it. Now it's working. But this is definitely a 2-person job in order to get this to work. You gotta have 1 person in the car and 1 person to push a button on the garage door opener itself. Alright, so what I learned from that was, first you program the car side, and then after you get the car side programmed, then you gotta have another person to help you so that you can program the actual garage door opener. So the garage door opener has a button on it that you have to push while someone in the car is also pushing and holding the button that's in the car that you want to use to open and close your garage door. So I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to watch out for more content coming from my channel. Thanks. Have a great day.